it 15 or 16? Oh, 15. And we are light out. See the windows are open. That's my neighbor's house. And this is my coconuts, my plantain side, my plantation. That's the side where I make my garden at the backyard. I show you guys a video long time where I made my garden. Anyway, let me not bore you with my things. I just wake up not too long, finish praying. Hobby is making tea for the kids, and today I didn't go to work. I'm not feeling too well, but I'll be fine. I'll be fine. My video where it's being shared to, I don't know who did that, but may God bless you so much. Thank you very much for doing that. I'm YouTuber based in Accra, Ghana with my husband and my kids. We are family. We are Nigerians living in Ghana. Thank you so much. Okay guys, welcome back. Okay, I finished brushing my teeth and I'm about to lay my bed. So this is my bed right now. That's my bed. Guys, I want to lay it and just keep everything, but first I will go and check the children's room. So I'm going to wash, like do laundry right now. So I'm checking someone at the gate. Let me show you the children's room. So, sorry it's dark. So see my case room. Have you see? It's very dirty. Look at, like, not that dirty. You know how boys, I have only boys, I don't have girl, only boys in the house. Look at the whole place, clothes on the floor. So I'll be cleaning this thoroughly. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Hobby is locking the gates. Okay guys, welcome back. Today's video is all about if you are new to my channel, welcome. This is getting real. So today's video is all about, I'm reacting to my first YouTube video ever on YouTube. What was I thinking? Oh my god, what was I thinking? I know that no one is perfect, but as time goes on, you will be perfect. Yeah, with whatever you are doing on YouTube. The content that you are creating is very important. Let your audience understand whatever you are putting out there and try to get people to watch your videos. You can't just leave it there, let ghosts be watching it. No. So my first YouTube video was like guys, I don't know how to insert it to play it for you guys, but I'll surely do that. I'll put it somewhere here so that you can watch it. It was not bad. It was all about cooking. My first video, I upgraded and everything. So my first video on YouTube was, even though I started that time, I was not perfect anyway. I was just filming because I wanted to start YouTube content creating and start posting video on YouTube, make it to be perfect, let people get to know me. It broke. I try to show my little creativity on YouTube, so on and so forth. The video, I was thinking that no one will watch the video. When I put the video there, first, one day, 2 views, 1 subscriber. 2 days, 1 subscriber, 4 views. It was going on and going on and I was like, will someone is even watching my video. So that really gives me, even though I didn't get any hate on my channel, on my video that time, it's just that there's some things that really get me angry. You know, when you post a video on YouTube, on the where the comment section is, you'll be seeing where some people will be putting, what is it called, hotgirls.com, be putting all those, like, I don't want to give it name. It's really annoying. I was really getting that on my video. I was getting different sites copying on my video. I was getting a lot of things, but I didn't get hate speech anyway. I was getting comment, keep on vlogging, keep on doing this, keep on doing that. I was like, so this thing is really working. So I put more effort. Like the first video I made, I film on YouTube, like I create the content and I post it to YouTube. I watch it myself. I said, no, it doesn't make sense. I didn't know that what does not make sense to me really makes sense to someone. So I put on more effort. I was creating more content upon content upon content. I watch a lot of video. I learn how to, as you film your video, you have to share it out to people. That's what I was even doing. So my first video was all about cooking. I think I made popcorn or something like that. I will insert it in this video so that you guys will get to watch and you'll be encouraged. Whatever you are doing on YouTube, just keep it up, okay? No one is perfect, and one day you will surely get there, okay? This is my little way of advising each and everyone that is watching me that is not, whatever you are doing, do it well, and you will surely get the result. The result will come out beautifully. Do it with your clean heart. Do it deep down from your heart. Do it well. Do it good. You know that you are doing this thing for yourself. You are not doing it for someone out there. You are doing it for yourself. And whatever glory that comes out from it is you. People will see contact, locate, watch. They are not going to watch different person. So whatever you are doing on YouTube, do it well. If it's gossip video you want to be gossiping on YouTube, make sure the gossip you are hearing is true. Try to hear from both sides before you film it and put it on YouTube. Whatever you are doing on YouTube, my dear, do it well. I get a lot of questions. Montastic, I want to start my YouTube. I want to be creating content on YouTube. Please start. Oh, I didn't say you shouldn't start, but know what you are creating on YouTube, okay? If it's not what people will be watching, if you want to stay on the other side of insulting people on YouTube, Hey, hello guys, welcome back, okay, for our Eid Fatah or Eid Mubarak to every Muslims. So for our preparation today, don't mind that noise, okay? It's Jerry. So guys, it's Jerry that is going up and down. For our preparation today, I'll be preparing okra. This is the okra. See, some of the okra they say in the market is not good. I cleaned this thoroughly. I put it in the fridge. I prepped it down yesterday, which I cleaned. I haven't cut it yet. So this is my meat. This is my shaki and momo. This, we call it momo in Nigeria, we call it wele in Ghana, okay? This is cow intestine. I cook it and I put it in the freezer. I drain the water, I pour it away. I don't like the water. So this is my palm oil. I don't need much. This is the okra I'll be preparing today for the family of 8. Yeah, we are not much. My children, they don't like the okra, so I'll be cooking rice for them, just me and my husband. So this is my pepper. I've already blended it down in the blender. This is my crayfish. This is salt, and this is my onions. This is my mumuni, small fish. And this is my other type of fish, catfish. They kill it and roast it. Yeah, this is my nut milk. I'll be adding little. And this is my hunger seasoning. This is seasoning for soup, hunger for soup, classic. And this is my gino herbs and spices. This curry, I'll be adding a little curry. And I want chicken flavor in my soup, so I'll be adding Remy chicken. Yes, this is it. This is Remy chicken seasoning powder. And this is my ugu leaf, water leaf. This small thing in Ghana is spicy, as you can see. So guys, let's get started, okay? This is my pots I'll be using for it, and my gas cooker. So guys, without wasting your time, let's get this cooking. Today I'm going to cook it and I'll be testing it for you guys as well, because you will not be here to test it with me, okay? Without wasting your time, let's get into this video with cooking. Hello, this is all the food I'm cooking today. Guys, so whatever you are doing on YouTube, make sure you do it well, do it with your clean heart, and you will surely achieve whatever you are looking for on YouTube. But if you think that it's too late, it's you, it's not someone, because time waits for nobody. If you want to start now and do something with it, and you will see the result, okay? So if you want to see my first video I'm reacting to on YouTube, because I'm already 1 year on YouTube, okay? So I have to appreciate myself before you appreciate me. Yes. So I've come a long way, and I'm encouraging you to also start your own, and you will see the result, because a lot of you send me message. I'll be seeing your message on Instagram. All the message that you guys have been sending to Momtastic on Instagram. What do I need to start my YouTube channel? How do I go about it? You are not going to turn your head upside down. It's the same phone that you are using. Use it. Start with it. Okay? Create content. Whatever you are doing, wherever you are going, take your phone, video it the way you use your phone to take selfie. Okay? Start with it. That's the best way to start. Okay, if you have cameras like the Canon type, you can use it. Whatever phones that you are having, as long as the phone has camera on it, use it to start your video. Okay, I've made video about this topic for so many times. How to start your YouTube 2020, how to start your YouTube 2021. Okay, go and watch that video and learn from it. Start from somewhere. Okay, Momtastic says start from somewhere, and you will surely get there. Know what you are putting on YouTube. As I said earlier, if you want to stand on the gossiping side, on the reacting to people's video, or showcasing your skills, your talents on YouTube, is up to you. But just start something. Okay, create your YouTube channel today, and you will be ending much. If any question you want to ask me, please send me message on my Instagram page. Okay, send me a DM, and I will gladly reply you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my video. Okay, thank you all so much. So I will leave it here. See you guys in another video.